Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with I'm here with Joe So Dab. Josiah's in the building with me. Now today on the channel we're going to be unboxing a pair of our moms.
Oh, my mom's birthday.
We're gonna get a pair. I got her a pair of Nikes for her birthday. She will not. Josiah doesn't know what they are either. She won't see what these are until afterwards. Chance is gonna be a part of the video. Anyway, we're gonna unbox these on the channel. Unfortunately, her birthday was yesterday, and it didn't get here till today. But it's all good. It's all good. So we're gonna unbox them. I'm gonna make sure everything is 1000% legit before I even hand them to her. So if y'all just rock with us, give us a few minutes. I'm gonna let Joso do the honors. All right. So this man can be dangerous with this knife. So go ahead and crack into him. Just go right down the seam. Don't cut into the box. Just cut through the tapes. I'll take it from here.
Get out! Dang it. Let's open this.
Let's see what we got.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Mommy.
She been. No. Oh my God. Anyway, matter of fact, I need the box. I gotta read. Y'all know what this is. This is the Nike Air Vapormax. Nike Air Max Plus Vapormax. Right? And it's like the, I think it's called, it's called the Reverse Sunset. Yeah, so it's.
See, Chance likes them too.
Barely gray,
Look.
barely gray.
Look, she likes them.
That's what it says. I don't know.
Daddy, he likes them.
Chance don't like those. And as y'all can see, this is what she wanted. I've never owned a pair of Vapormax, but I do like these joints because they're so
I got a
colorful.
good idea to surprise her.
What?
Put them in her,
I'll put them on the sneaker
and
rack
then
already?
she'll be like,
That's actually a good idea.
then she'll be like, who's all these? Or she might be like, oh!
Yeah, she'll be super excited to get these joints.
I
That's a
think we
good
should do
idea.
that.
We're going to do that.
I don't think we should just like give them to her. I mean, it makes it more of a surprise if you just put it in.
We'll do that. So let's talk a little bit about the sneaker. And at the front, the toe box, you got an all orange.
I like this green.
Yeah, that like lime neon green. So it starts off as your orange and it fades
The sunset.
back.
Now I get it.
It fades back into like
Sunset.
a more of a hunter, like a faded hunter green and into a neon green on the heel tab. Your bottom, you got your clear Vapormax bottoms with this lime.
The inside looks like the red part of the watermelon.
Yeah. You got like your watermelon insole.
Hey,
These are pretty
watermelon
dope.
colors.
These
I
are
mean,
pretty dope.
If this was like a little bit darker than the green,
Yeah. So these are dope, man. I just wanted to bring these to the channel. A little quick review. It's not even actually a review. I just wanted to show y'all what Josiah's mom was getting for her birthday. We're going to put them on her sneaker rack. We're just going to sneak them on there and not say a word when she gets here and see if she notices. A day late, but I'm sure she'll appreciate them nonetheless. Thank y'all for rocking with your boys.
Ah!
And we out of here. OV!